Hi, we're going to do some eye exercises today. We're going to strengthen up those eyes so that you're better at reading or reading's easier. So we're going to start with our thumb. Our thumb is going to be our tool today. If you think of push-ups where you are like laying kind of on the floor and you're moving your body when you're pushing with your arms and you're doing push-ups, it's the same thing, but we're doing it with our eye muscles. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our thumb up. Good job. We're going to start with our thumb out far, and we're going to bring our thumb in close to our face, and we're going to keep our eyes on our thumb. So we're only looking at our thumb. So I want you to do that with me. So start with your thumb out far, bring it up close to your face, but keep your eyes on it. Only look at your thumb. Don't look at me. Only look at your thumb, and we're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back out. So did you keep your eyes on your thumb the whole time I counted to 5? If not, that's what I want you to do. I want you to try it again. We're going to do eye push-ups with your thumb. Keep your eyes on your thumb, coming in nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back out again. Keep your eyes on your thumb the whole time. Here we go, back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back out. Let's do it one more time. Bring it in close, not too close, close enough that you can keep your eyes on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back out. Good job. I want you to do that every day. I'm going to put it in your lesson every day so you strengthen up all those little muscles in your eyes to help you with reading. We work well together.